You start your day off with a cup of coffee from Starbucks or Peet's, or you just bought something off of Amazon because you saw it on TikTok, you've been influenced by the power of digital marketing. In today's episode of In-Demand Careers You Should Know About, we're talking digital marketing. Digital marketing is fun, and it's a creative field that leverages data analysis, storytelling, and strategy to interact with customers and sell products through online channels like social media, email, and SEO. Here are 5 types of digital marketing. You can pause to read the role descriptions. Okay, but important question, how much do digital marketers make? Glassdoor estimates that the average annual salary is $79,000 in the US. And if you want to get into this career field but don't have prior experience, there are actually online training programs that are designed to get you job ready within months, such as. If you're interested, link in bio for more information on how you can become a digital marketer too.